All right. Hey guys. I am going to do a quick lesson on 13.2, which is how to write numerical expressions. On this particular unit, you do not have to figure out the actual answer to the expression. This just teaches you how to write the expression. Um, Remember, this is not a unit that you could do in your head. You should have a paper and a pencil, and you should be doing it in front of you. You cannot do this in your head. All right, so let's take a look at here. It says Cole is 11 and a half years old. Uncle Frank is 4 times as old as Cole. Write an expression to show how you could calculate Uncle Frank's age in 6 years. So obviously, if you look at this, we have 3 numbers. We have 11 and a half, we have 4, and we have 6. So we need to know what numbers we're going to do first, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is multiply. Okay, because we know that if the brackets come first, parentheses come first, then division and multiplication, then adding and subtracting. So Uncle Frank's current age is 4 times as much as Cole. So the first thing you're going to do is take Cole's age, which was 4 and a half, and multiply it by 4. So we're going to put that in parentheses so that you know you have to do that first. So you would do 4 times 11 and a half, whatever answer you got for that. Then you would add on 6 more years plus, and then that'll determine Uncle Frank's age in 6 years. Now again, in this unit, in this particular lesson, you do not have to get the answer. All we're doing is writing the expressions. You're not calculating the answer. Okay? So let's just do like number 1, for instance, okay? So it says multiply 16, 3, and 29, and then subtract 17. So since we know we're going to multiply first, we're going to put that in parentheses, okay? So you're going to have 16 times 3 times 29, okay? That's first. Parentheses, first. I know it's sloppy. And then subtract 17. So I'm going to change my pen so you can kind of see it. So then you would subtract 17. Okay? That's it. That's how you do that. You do not have to find the answer. This particular lesson is just writing, okay? Let's do this one that's a little bit more in depth. Okay, it says add the quotient of 120 and 60 to the quotient of 72 and 9. Okay, we know the quotient is an answer to a division problem. Okay, so I'm going to put in parentheses 120 divided, but it's difficult, by 60. Okay, and then it says add. So I'm going to add to the quotient of 72 and 9. Put that in parentheses. 72 divided by 9. That goes in parentheses. That's it. Again, you're done. You don't have to figure out the answer. All right? Let's do one more. Okay, let's try this one. Multiply 71 by 8, okay, and then add 379. So first we'll multiply, so we'll put it in parentheses. 71 times 8. And then add to 379. That's it, done. So again, you cannot do this lesson without paper and pencil. And it is a lesson that you should spend probably between doing this lesson, watching the video, doing your quick check, doing the interactive one, it should take you about an hour. Okay, you should not be done quickly. And the quick checks, there's only 5 questions. So if you get a couple wrong, because each one's worth 20. If you've watched all this, I can't see how you would fail it. But I do need you to take the initiative and the responsibility to watch this video and watch it again if you didn't understand it the first time. Okay. Also, this is all in your book. You can get through all this through Pearson Realize. So if you think you're struggling and you're not exactly sure, then go back and look in Pearson Realize and do some of these. Or do some of these. Okay? Do this one on paper. Do this one on paper. Gives you extra practice. Okay? All right. Please make sure you watch this, and I will see you later. Bye.